everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on land transport. Land transport moves people and goods across the Earth's surface. Cars are personal vehicles commonly used for everyday travel. Buses provide public transportation for city and intercity journeys. Trains connect distant locations through railway networks. Trucks transport goods, playing a vital role in logistics. Motorcycles offer a compact and fuel-efficient mode of travel. Bicycles are human-powered vehicles used for exercise and commuting. Rickshaws and pedicabs are traditional forms of transport in some areas. Land transport is essential for accessibility in both urban and rural settings. Roads and highways form the infrastructure supporting smooth land transportation. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.